Here we are with the CineMaster 2. Let's do that compass calibration real quick.
I don't care if I'm in the video.
Alright guys, first time I'm out here flying this thing because I couldn't fly it before because, you know, those 50-mile-an-hour winds. So. Oh yeah, flying nice. Let's see, what am I in? Am I in the sport mode? But you know what? We're recording some video. So let's just go with that, right? Let's get a load of what the video is going to look like. I'm up at 72 feet, so that means I cleared the poles. Oh, it's pretty fast in that sport mode. It got out to that old Sears pretty quickly. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Now, I'd be honest with you, I'm just not sure how to get it out of that sport mode. The signal's breaking up a little bit over here, so. Probably because I'm by that building, you know. It's bad enough that it makes the minis go nuts. What do you think it's going to do with just a straight up Wi-Fi drone? It's making them really make that thing go crazy. Besides, the wind's kicking up pretty hot and heavy up there right now. So I want to bring it down here. High, low. Okay, here you go. Okay, Dumbo. How about look at the thing? Okay, so you hold this button in back here, and then that'll show you what mode you're going in. Oh, and this mode here is super slow, slow as molasses. Let's get into the, oh, I guess it's just one or the other, right? Tripod speed and sport mode. Okay, so there you got it, guys. 2 speeds. Slow as molasses or super fast. Yeah, this thing flies pretty nice.
It does.
All right, guys, there you go. We're gonna take this over to the river, and I'm gonna fly it over at the river. All right, guys, have a nice day.
That's all, folks.